Good morning, everyone, and happy Thursday. It is Julie here with your TipRanks pre-market morning update, where we're bringing you everything you need to know before the market opens. So let's get into it. Alright guys, welcome back and thank you all so much for being here. It is another quiet day in the market and we're just one day away from a long weekend. The stock market is closed on Monday in observance of New Year's. This morning we'll be taking a look at some exciting stock market news. Still no earnings on the calendar today, and we'll see which stocks are the morning's biggest gainers and losers. Don't forget, you can still take advantage of TipRanks' New Year's Eve sale with 35% off premium subscriptions and 1 free year of their Smart Investor newsletter. So you can follow the link in the comments and description down below. Now let's get right into this morning's exciting stock market news. U.S. stock futures are currently in the green this morning as investors wait to hear jobless claims data due out later this morning. Right now, Dow futures are up 0.26%, S&P 500 futures up 0.44%, and NASDAQ futures up 0.66%. Four Corners Property Trust has bought 2 new restaurant locations in New York. The company purchased a Red Lobster property and a Smoky Bones property for a total of $6.9 million. They are corporate operated under triple net leases with a weighted average of 2.5 years of term remaining. This follows them purchasing 4 Buffalo Wild Wing properties in Illinois last week for over $14 million. Analysts currently rate the Four Corners Property Trust as a moderate buy with an average upside of 5.8%. Shares of Chinese online education stocks are falling this morning after the Ministry of Education published new guidelines for their industry. Under these new regulations, fees paid for tutoring services and the time frame in which the services may be offered will be restricted. The charging of fees will also be reined in under state supervision, with state banks being required for prepaid fees and legal representatives being appointed to audit activity at the provincial level. The tutoring industry has seen a lot of new regulations in the recent years as they move to ban for-profit tutoring in stated effort to curb inequality. And shares of Taiwan Semiconductor are up slightly this morning after the company announced they started production of their 3-nanometer chips. The company's chairman also added that demand is very strong and the company is continuing to invest in Taiwan. They said that Taiwan Semiconductor is maintaining its technology leadership while investing significantly in Taiwan, continuing to invest and prosper with the environment. Analysts currently rate their stock a unanimous strong buy with an average upside of 42%. And with nothing really happening for earnings this morning, let's move right along to the morning's biggest gainers and losers. Our biggest gainers this morning are led by Lufax Holding. They seem to be bouncing back after dropping 12% yesterday. Trading under the ticker LU, the stock is currently up 5.8%. They're followed by Tesla under the ticker TSLA, up 4.8%, and Regal Rexnord under RRX, up 4.4%. And our biggest losers this morning are led by the Tal Education Group following the increased regulation in their industry. Trading under the ticker TAL, the stock is currently down nearly 7.5%. They're followed by Healthcare Realty Trust under HR, down 5.6%, and New Oriental Education Technology under EDU, down 5.2%. So that is going to be everything for Thursday's pre-market morning update, getting you up to speed with what you need to know before that opening bell. Don't forget to take advantage of the TipRanks New Year sale by following the links in the description down below, and make sure you say good morning in the comments. I always love hearing from you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day, and I'll see you back here next time.